Hi dear customers, this is our QLQ newest model shining gold plating machine. For this machine, now I'm going to explain the process to you. You can see this machine is very short. Without this zipper frame, it's just about 2.6 meters for the length. About the width is about 1.1 meters. If including this zipper guardian frame, then it's about 3.8. Okay, this is the size for your reference. This machine process is from here. This is the first tank for the shining gold chemical. The main chemical is H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. And the second tank is washing tank. Third tank is activation tank. We also can call it peeling tank, okay? And then this is the second type for shining gold plating, so we say chemical tank 2. And come to here is the washing tank again. And here is the second type peeling activation tank again. And then final 2 tanks are for washing. So when the zipper come out, it's the shining gold already. You can see the machine is very mini. It's very nice, okay?